Installation Guide for Adjustable Arm, Mount and Metal Scanner Holder. 1. Attach scanner holder. Align the metal holder with the swing arm's mounting plate. Insert bolts with plastic washers through center holes. 2. Secure holder. Add metal washer and nut. Tighten with provided wrench. Ensure no wobble. 3. Mount to wall. Hold wall plate against wall at desired height. Use a level, mark 4 mounting holes. 4. Drill holes. Create holes with appropriate drill bit. Insert plastic anchors for drywall soft surfaces. 5. Finalize installation. Align bracket base with holes. Drill 2 cm screws into anchors or wall. 6. Complete. Your AGOZ wall-mounted swing arm is now ready to use.